Healthcare electronic medical record applications are used by doctors to electronically access patient information. These applications increase doctors' efficiency by improving the accuracy of the captured data, and also reduce cost by replacing the paper-based process with an automated electronic process. Lotus Forms effectively allows converting a traditional paper-based patient records management process into a streamlined EMR application. In addition, Lotus Forms provides a user-friendly, easy-to-use front-end that allows doctors to manage a patient information file, accessing the most current patient data, as well as historical records, for quick review, audit, and update. The following demonstration shows how Lotus Forms can help doctors and medical professionals work with patient information and use standardized formats defined for the healthcare industry. In this scenario, Dr. Mary Ross, at the Theta Healthcare Medical Clinic, is accessing patient Sally Mortimer's personal information and medical history record with the help of Lotus Forms. The previous process involved accessing the patient information in a paper format, which was a very time-consuming, difficult process that provided opportunity for data entry error, misplaced patient records, and security hazards including theft and fire. Patient files are physically stored in hard copy paper formats. When a patient comes to the clinic, the doctor's assistant needs to locate the paper patient file and deliver it to the doctor prior to the start of the appointment. The doctor then reviews the file of paper records to refresh themselves on the patient history and prepare for the consultation. During the appointment, the doctor manually records notes in the patient's file and completes any required test request, referral, or prescription forms that may be required to further treat the patient. These papers then typically require processing before being stored by the doctor's assistant. With the newly automated Lotus Forms EMR application, medical professionals can readily access the patient's information, helping improve efficiency by removing the physical paper handling part of the process and ensuring that all required data in the forms are properly filled and error-free. Patients also benefit from better service and reduced wait times. Sally arrives at the clinic for her prenatal checkup. The assistant queries the system to pull up the patient's medical record for Dr. Ross and prepares the examination room. During Sally's scheduled checkup, Dr. Ross electronically accesses Sally's patient files. The once paper-based medical records have now been consolidated from multiple sources and presented in a single electronic form using Lotus Forms software. Now Dr. Ross can quickly get a comprehensive view of Sally's medical history, including submitted lab request forms, prescriptions issued, and test results received. All consolidated in a single Lotus form. After reviewing her medical history, Dr. Ross checks Sally's ultrasound test results. Dr. Ross lets Sally know that all is going well with her pregnancy and summarizes the results of Sally's prenatal checkup by simply posting a new entry into the medical record. Dr. Ross recommends Sally take prenatal supplements that are available only by prescription. She proceeds to create an electronic prescription form that automatically attaches to Sally's medical record. The patient's information is automatically copied from the current medical record into the new prescription form that was just created. Dr. Ross enters keywords to get a short list of drugs, so she can find the one she wants to prescribe. This pulls the matches down from a database repository and provides the short list to select from. Dr. Ross fills in the rest of the details on how the medication is to be used. To finalize the prescription, Dr. Ross signs it using the electronic signature capabilities of Lotus Forms, and then electronically submits the prescription. The form is submitted to a centralized clinical document architecture, or CDA database, allowing Sally to get her prescription filled in any pharmacy of her choice. Dr. Ross prints the signed prescription form and provides it to Sally for her own records. Subscribing to the CDA standard ensures that prescriptions are filled correctly, thereby reducing the risk of patients receiving the wrong drug or improper dosage due to the pharmacy having to decipher doctor's handwriting. After completing this checkup, Dr. Ross adds her final notes on Sally's visit and saves it for easy future reference. Through this demonstration, we have shown how Lotus Forms help Dr. Ross effectively conduct Sally's scheduled checkup appointment by efficiently accessing her patient's data, making additions to her file, and finally writing a prescription for her. By automating the EMR healthcare application using Lotus Forms, Dr. Ross's office chart management process was streamlined. Completed forms are no longer misfiled. Filed forms can be quickly retrieved, which helps improve office efficiency and service. This streamlining can potentially improve the level of healthcare provided due to improved decisions as a result of easily accessible and accurate information. Dr. Ross was able to quickly retrieve Sally's healthcare records and related test results, add new information to her file, and authorize the issue of a prescription. In addition, Dr. Ross was able to electronically submit Sally's prescription to a CDA database, allowing Sally to get her prescription in any pharmacy. In this case, Lotus Forms helped making sure the submission is fully compliant to the HL7 CDA standard. In conclusion, Dr. Ross was able to easily migrate to an electronic chart management process powered by Lotus Forms. Lotus Forms helped Dr. Ross conduct her work with high quality and efficiency while providing top-notch patient care that she stakes her reputation on. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact your Lotus Forms sales rep for any inquiries on the information just viewed or other Lotus Forms related products.